Hello techies, I hope you guys are doing well. This is Tech House. Today's video is going to about the S22 Ultra, which is the next flagship from the Samsung for the year 2022. In this video we'll discuss about some leaks and rumors of this phone. S22 Ultra will adopt new camera layout. This is the fresh leaked image of the S22 Ultra. We have got some exciting specs leaked of this device. That is, it is going to adopt 200 megapixel camera sensor smartphone, which will be the first time in the smartphone world. Samsung will continue to use the center console for the selfie camera. It will not adopt under display technology as we have seen in the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Samsung may introduce 1 TB variant storage as Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's hope Samsung will include the support of S Pen in the S22 series. Samsung will adopt LTPO display technology for the S22 series, which can adopt high refresh rate all the way up to 120Hz to 1Hz depending upon the condition. Also, it will have the latest and greatest Snapdragon processor in some of the part of the world and Exynos processor in most of the part. If you have enjoyed watching this video, drop us like down below, subscribe to this channel and comment down what specs are you expecting in the S22 series. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.